Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're a car owner, DIY mechanic, or professional technician, you know how important it is to quickly diagnose issues and keep your vehicle running smooth. Today, we're diving into the top 5 best car diagnostic tools for 2026, from budget-friendly picks to professional-grade scanners that deliver fast, accurate results. Whether you're checking engine codes, reading real-time data, or performing advanced diagnostics, these tools will save you time and money. Let's get started. 5. VACTool OBD2 Scanner Code Reader. If you're a DIYer, car owner, or weekend mechanic, the VACTool VD10 OBD2 Car Code Reader is a must-have tool for keeping your vehicle in top shape. This easy plug-and-play diagnostic scanner works just like popular tools such as FixD, but with a clear screen and no app required. Just plug it into your OBDI port and diagnose issues in seconds. The VD10 lets you read and clear engine fault codes, view live data, check freeze frame information, monitor IM readiness for inspections, and even pull vehicle info like VIN and ECU details. With a built-in database of over 3,000 DTC definitions, wide compatibility with nearly all OBD2 vehicles, and no batteries needed, it's perfect for beginners and experienced users alike. Add in a 3-year warranty, lifetime free updates, and multi-language support, and the VD10 becomes a smart, reliable diagnostic tool every car owner should have. 4. MotoPower MP69033. This multifunction OBD2 code reader is a practical and reliable tool for quickly diagnosing check engine issues. Featuring a built-in DTC lookup library to help identify problems, read and erase codes, view freeze frame data, check IM readiness, access vehicle information, and monitor live data such as vehicle speed, engine RPM, coolant temperature, load value, and real-time curves. Designed with a clear 2.8-inch LCD screen with adjustable contrast, it requires no batteries, drawing power directly from your vehicle's OBDI port. With support for 9 OBDII protocols, it's compatible with most 1996 US, 2000 EU, and newer Asian vehicles, and offers 6 language options for easy use worldwide. The compact design includes a durable 2.5-foot flexible cable and intuitive buttons for quick VIN and fault code lookup, making it ideal for both beginners and experienced users. Please note, this scanner supports OBDI engine systems only and does not read ABS or airbag codes. 3. Foxwell NT301. Meet the Vehicle CL Doctor NT301 OBD2 scanner, a reliable and easy-to-use diagnostic tool designed for everyday drivers and home mechanics. It accurately reads and clears check engine light codes, shows emissions readiness status, retrieves VIN information, and displays live data with clear graphing so you can quickly spot issues and trends. Compatible with most 1996 plus US, 2000 plus EU, and Asian vehicles, the NT301 supports all standard OBD2 protocols and works right out of the box with simple plug-and-play operation. No updates or batteries required. With its 2.8-inch color screen, LED smog check indicators, built-in speaker alerts, and mechanic-recommended performance, the NT301 is a must-have tool for confident diagnostics at home or in the shop. 2. BlueDriver Bluetooth Pro. Meet BlueDriver Pro OBD2 Scanner, the easiest way to scan, understand, and fix your vehicle like a professional mechanic. Instantly read and clear check engine lights and advanced codes including ABS, airbag, SRS, and TPMS, all from a simple, wireless Bluetooth connection to your phone or tablet. With enhanced diagnostics, real-time live data while you drive, and unlimited repair reports showing possible causes and fixes, BlueDriver goes far beyond a basic code reader. The user-friendly iOS and Android app even includes step-by-step repair videos, helping you get the right fix with confidence. There are no subscriptions, no hidden fees, and no personal data sales, just one purchase for full access. Compatible with all gas vehicles 1996 and newer and backed by 24/7 professional support, BlueDriver gives you dealership-level diagnostics without the high cost or hassle. 1. Ansell A310 Classic. The Ansell AD310 OBD2 scanner is one of the best-selling diagnostic tools on the market and comes highly recommended by famous YouTuber and auto mechanic Scotty Kilmer. Designed to quickly identify why your check engine light is on, this compact yet sturdy scanner can read and clear emission-related trouble codes in seconds after repairs, display live and freeze frame data, check IM readiness, and retrieve vehicle information with impressive accuracy. powered directly through your car's OBDIE port, no batteries or charging required. The AD310 is fast, beginner-friendly, and built to last with a thick, flexible cable and a clear, easy-to-read screen, supporting all major OBDII protocols and compatible with most 1996-plus vehicles. It's an excellent home or travel essential for anyone who wants a reliable, portable code reader to keep their car running smoothly. So there you have it, our picks for the top 5 best car diagnostic tools in 2026. Whether you're a DIY car owner or a professional mechanic, the right scanner can save you time and money. All product links are in the description below, along with updated pricing and more details. Make sure to check them out. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the bell so you don't miss future reviews and comparisons. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.